In this video, I'm going to do an oil and filter change for less than 50 quid. This involves draining the old oil, replacing the oil filter, and replacing the oil. So to start off, I've got my Volkswagen up on the ramps. Here I'm using a size 8 hex socket to loosen the sump plug. Okay, let's leave that to drain for 10 minutes. Going to make a start on the oil filter. Here I've got a 36mm socket and I'm just going to loosen it off. And the old filter should just come off like this. If it is stuck in there, however, you can use a screwdriver to pry it out. So I've cleaned the housing up a little and I'm going to replace the oil filter with a Bosch. I'll leave the part in the description. Now this is super important. Always remember to replace the rubber gasket. Failure to do so will result in a leak from the oil filter housing. I've been underneath, I've put a brand new drain plug and washer in. Now I'm putting in the new oil, which is Castrol Magnatec 540. It's the recommended oil for this vehicle. Okay, so the Castrol Magnatec oil cost £33.95. The oil filter cost £6.95. And I also purchased a replacement sump plug and washer because the old one was looking pretty battered. That cost £3.95. So the total cost was £44.85. Thanks for watching, and if you've got one of these vehicles, please check out my other videos, links in the description. Thank you.